Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura from DisDivasAdventures. So I am back today with another year of the ear and I'm really excited. The theme this month is Festival of the Holidays. So not just Christmas, it could be Thanksgiving, it could be Hanukkah. And I'm really excited for this one because I like that it encompasses so many different holidays. And I just love holiday time. If you guys watched my last video when I did Year of the Ear, it was Halloween, and I also really love Halloween. So this time of year is just my favorite. So I'm really curious to see who sent me ears this month, and just see what they are. I'm curious, is it Christmas? Is it Hanukkah? Is it going to be Thanksgiving? We're going to have to jump in to find out. So I already just cut open the box. And I see a few little things. So this is really cute. I love, if anyone knows me well, I love pastel and I love bright colors. And this is a really cute little pastel holiday card. So it says, fa la 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 la. Hello, Laura. Happy November, Year of the Ear. I hope you enjoy these happy little holiday/winter ears. I had so much fun making them. Best wishes, Mary, a jolly holiday with Mary. That's awesome. I've never received or bought for Mary before, so this is really great. I love this swap for the reason that you get to really get to know different people, so this is awesome. Okay, Mary. So Mary put the ears in this really pretty purple tissue paper that I feel really bad ripping because it's so pretty. And he gave me these little cards. So we got the purple, pink, and like that maybe like a seafoam green ornament. All is calm and all is bright. And then Christmas wishes to Laura from Mary. This is cute. Very cute little purple. Okay. Try to unwrap it. This beautiful purple paper. Oh, I think it's backwards. Okay, so let's look at the ears. Oh my gosh. So these ears are very much my personality, and if you can tell, I have pink on. We got the tree that's got lots of bright colors on it. Oh my gosh, Mary. These are incredible. So she used pastel, which I absolutely love. So these little snowmen, Minnie and Mickey ears. So Mickey's got little pink and blue Santa hat. And Minnie, she's got the little pink with the polka dots. And I love like all this pink on the back. And I especially love this beautiful purple bow. If you guys look real closely, they look like little snowflakes on the bow. We got little details of glitter. These are absolutely incredible, Mary. I want to say this side is foam, maybe? I don't know. It's really cool how she made these. And then Mickey's got his little scarf too. I missed that detail. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put these on. If you guys can see, they're so beautiful. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate, you did such a beautiful job. And these are going to come in handy. So if you follow my Instagram, you should follow it over the next week because I'm going to make an announcement on Instagram. But these are going to come in handy and I cannot wait to wear them more. So there are 2 giveaways this month, so you're going to have to go through all the channels to figure out who has the 2 giveaways. So the list is down below. Please check out everyone's channel. It's so fun to see how many incredible ears there are. And then you can see who I sent to. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to have some more videos up soon, but I will see you guys next time. And I really hope that everyone has a very happy Thanksgiving. See you real soon, guys. Bye.